Alright, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's commonly confused words. So pour, 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 and pour. So pore, like small dimples and holes on the surface of something. Yeah, like the skin. So I like my pores. I don't have many pores on my cheek. There are a lot of pores on the skin, like just holes. These pores are clean. How cool is that? Yeah. But then pour, like this. Pour, to move liquid from one container to another. Pour some water. Can you pour water from the bucket? Can you pour the wine for us? How can you pour from that bottle? How can you pour? Pour, yeah. And then pour. Not much money or opportunities. So let's have a look. Money, here we are, yeah. Yeah, not much money. Yeah. He will not be poor. Let's change that. Okay, he has been poor for a long time. She does not like to be poor. Yeah, she does not like to be poor. They were poor, but not anymore. Yeah. They used to be poor, but now things have changed. Yes. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. And they pour the water first, and this pour is quite deep. This pour is quite deep. I'm pouring water. I'm pouring water. They don't like being poor. They used to be a lot poorer. But now they're richer. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use pour, and pour in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.